Most AI tools work like this. You ask a question, they give you an answer, and then you go do the work yourself. That has been the standard experience with tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity since the beginning. Genspark is built on a completely different idea. You give it a goal, and it plans, researches, executes, and delivers a finished result, autonomously, without you having to manage every step. It is less like talking to a chatbot and more like handing a task to a capable colleague and coming back to find it done. That is what Genspark calls a super agent, and in this video I am going to break the whole thing down from scratch. What it is, how it works, what it can actually do, and whether it is worth your money. Let's get into it. Genspark launched in 2024 and initially positioned itself as an AI search engine. But in April 2025, the company made a significant pivot, moving away from search and into what they call agentic AI, a workspace where AI does not just find information but takes action with it. That pivot paid off. By November 2025, Genspark had raised $275 million in Series B funding at a $1.25 billion valuation. In January 2026, they topped that up with another $300 million. Total funding now exceeds $460 million. The platform currently has over 2 million monthly active users. The team was built by veterans from Google and Microsoft, and the company is based in Palo Alto. That is the background. Now let me tell you what the tool actually does. The engine behind everything in Genspark is called the mixture of agents architecture. Instead of routing your requests through a single AI model the way ChatGPT does, Genspark uses 9 specialized large language models simultaneously, including GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and others. Each model handles the part of your task it is best suited for. One model might handle research, another handles fact-checking, another handles formatting and structure. They work in parallel, check each other's outputs, and the final result is synthesized from all of their contributions. The practical benefit is accuracy, because multiple models are cross-referencing and verifying each other's work. The rate of hallucination and factual errors is significantly lower than single-model tools. Genspark claims AI Slides 2.0 reduced hallucinations by 90% compared to the previous version, a bold claim, but consistent with what reviewers have found in independent testing. Let me walk you through the main components of the Genspark workspace so you know exactly what you are getting. The first and most important is the super agent. This is Genspark's flagship feature, the one that sets it apart from everything else. You give the super agent a complex multi-step goal and it executes it autonomously. Not just researches it, executes it. You could ask it to research the top 5 competitors in your industry, summarize their pricing and key features, and build a comparison table in a structured document. The super agent browses the web, processes the results, and delivers a finished formatted output. You could ask it to find the most relevant news in your industry from the past week, pull out the key insights, and turn it into a briefing document you can share with your team. It does it. You could ask it to take a rough set of notes and turn them into a full polished slide deck. It does that too. The super agent works for as long as the task requires, browsing, synthesizing, building without you needing to babysit every step. The second component is Sparkpages. When you run a research query in Genspark, the output is not a list of links the way a search engine would give you. It is a Sparkpage, a structured, interactive document that contains verified answers, data visualizations, source citations, and downloadable assets all on one page. You can share a Sparkpage via its own unique URL, which makes it genuinely useful for presenting research to a team or a client. Think of it as a polished research report generated automatically from your question. The third component is the suite of specialized AI agents. AI Slides takes a prompt or an existing document and generates a complete presentation deck, professional layout, data visualized as charts, royalty-free images, editable slides. Multiple reviewers have called it the best AI slide tool on the market right now. AI Sheets takes a data prompt and builds a structured spreadsheet with formulas, tables, and analysis. AI Docs generates professional written documents from a prompt or from existing rough notes. AI Developer builds websites, apps, and games from a text description with full GitHub integration. And AI Designer handles image and creative asset generation. The fourth component is AI Drive, 1 GB of storage on the free plan, 50 GB on Plus, 1 TB on Pro. Everything you generate inside Genspark lives in your AI Drive and can be accessed by any of the other agents. So a report you generated with the super agent can be passed directly to AI Slides to become a deck, which can then be refined by AI Docs, all without leaving the platform. The fifth component is AI Secretary. This is Genspark's personal assistant layer. Granted access to your Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and Notion, and it can manage those tools on your behalf. Schedule meetings, draft email responses, file documents, update your calendar, all triggered from a single prompt. This is where Genspark starts to feel less like a tool and more like an actual AI team member handling your admin. The sixth component, and arguably the most ambitious, is the AI browser. Genspark launched a standalone AI-powered browser in June 2025, available on Mac, Windows, and Android. The headline feature is autopilot mode. The browser acts autonomously on every page you visit, pulling information, executing tasks, and interacting with web-based tools without you having to manually specify actions. It connects to over 700 external tools via an MCP store, which means it can integrate with almost any software your workflow depends on. Now, let me be honest about the credit system because this is where a lot of users have had frustrations, and I want to give you an accurate picture before you pay for anything. Genspark runs on a credit-based model for its advanced features. AI chat and image generation on paid plans are currently unlimited. Number credits consumed through December 2026. But complex tasks like video generation, phone calls, AI sites, and AI pods consume credits and they can go fast. A simple Sparkpage costs between 30 and 80 credits. A slide deck costs between 250 and 450 credits. A full landing page can cost between 600 and 1200 credits. Heavy tasks eat through your allowance quickly, and multiple users on Reddit and Trustpilot have mentioned credit depletion as a frustration. The honest advice is to test thoroughly on the free plan using the exact types of tasks you plan to run before committing to a paid subscription. In terms of pricing, there are 3 tiers. The free plan costs nothing, gives you 100 credits per day that reset automatically, 1 GB of AI drive storage, and access to core features including Sparkpages and basic super agent tasks. No credit card required to sign up. This is a genuinely useful starting point for testing the platform before spending anything. The Plus plan costs $24.99 per month, or $19.99 per month if you pay annually. It gives you 10,000 credits per month, 50 GB of AI drive storage, unlimited AI chat with top models including GPT and Claude, unlimited image generation, priority access to all agents and new features, and commercial use rights for all content you generate. This is where most individual creators and small teams will land. The Pro plan costs $249.99 per month, or $199 monthly on annual billing. It gives you 125,000 credits per month, 1 terabyte of storage, and everything in Plus. This tier is designed for agencies and organizations generating AI content at serious volume every single day. So who is Genspark actually best suited for? It is genuinely excellent for researchers and analysts who spend a lot of time synthesizing information from multiple sources and need structured, cited, shareable outputs. It is highly valuable for content creators, marketers, and strategists who regularly produce slide decks, reports, and written deliverables. It is powerful for founders and operators who need fast, thorough answers on markets and competitors without doing all the legwork manually. And it works well for anyone who already uses multiple AI tools and wants to consolidate them into a single platform. Where it is weaker, and I want to be honest about this, is deep workflow automation across business tools like CRM and email pipelines. For that, dedicated tools are more reliable, and if you only need a basic conversational AI for occasional questions, there are simpler and cheaper options. That is Genspark, one of the most autonomous and genuinely capable AI workspaces available right now, and a platform that is growing fast for good reason. If this video was useful, hit the like button and subscribe. We cover a new AI tool every week, and I want to know which part of Genspark would you actually use first? The super agent, the AI slides, or something else? Drop it in the comments. Next up, I am covering Microsoft Copilot, the AI tool that is already installed on over 400 million Windows devices, and that most people are barely using. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you in the next one.